As we all know that audio has a huge impact on your video, and if your audio is not good enough, chances are no matter how good your visuals are, but due to that bad audio, your visuals will get ignored. So you can either use your in-cam mic to record audio, or else you can invest in a decent microphone to get good audio. Now here's when a mic like Zoom H1 comes into play. So this, my folks, is a long-term review of the well-known Zoom H1. Hey, what's up guys, Bhushan here from abgeekexpert. With that being said, let's get started. Now for starters, this mic is completely wireless, meaning you can carry it anywhere you go and still record amazing audio. The Zoom H1 is crafted out of a really good plastic and has a stereo XY mic pattern. Now if you're planning to buy this Zoom H1, I would highly recommend you to get a pop filter or an accessory pack which comes with a lot of useful stuff. But a pop filter or a windscreen is a must-have while using the Zoom H1. Now speaking of build and design, this mic has a really elegant build with a small but quite useful screen, which showcases all the info like elapsed time, audio peaking, storage information, battery level and so on. The Zoom H1 also has a lot of buttons to play around with, which includes the turn on and off button, the track skipper, the delete button, input level buttons and so on and so forth. But the most useful buttons, or rather switches, are at the bottom of the mic, and they are the low cut, auto level and the file format switch. So in order to use the Zoom H1, you can either use it by plugging the mini USB cable, or you can juice it up by using the AA battery, which by the way is provided in the box itself. So the main purpose of using a mic is of course recording crisp and clear audio, and the H1 won't disappoint you at all. The whole voiceover of this particular video is been recorded with the Zoom H1 itself without any editing at all. So you can get a clear idea how does the Zoom H1 performs in indoor as well as in outdoor conditions. My only real problem with the Zoom H1 is the implementation of mini USB and the usage of AA batteries. Look, I'm not telling that Zoom should have provided USB Type-C, but who has access to mini USB cables in 2018? And the problem with AA batteries is that they just drain so fast. So if you're a guy who is on the move, I would highly suggest you to get a rechargeable pack of AA batteries, because the AA batteries don't last so long on the Zoom H1 when you're recording audio. At the end of the day, the Zoom H1 is still a great piece of audio equipment to record crisp audio. And the fact that you can get one for yourself for as cheap as 5,000 rupees is just crazy. The Best Buy link is in the description down below, so have a look. With that being said, I'm your boy Expert and I'm signing out.